The third important point is the gut wellness. Gut in the sense it is always stomach. पेट का पूजा हर दिन करना चाहिए ना. अगर पेट नहीं हो तो सब लोग पेट के लिए कर रहे हैं. सही है. Everybody is doing for the stomach. See, when it comes to the stomach, there is one major problem in the stomach called as gas. I tell this wherever I go actually. Whenever the gas word is heard, people normally think of LPG gas cylinder. Right? LPG gas cylinder में कितना gas होता है? 16 kgs minimum. जो domestic घर में रखते हैं 16.5, 17 kgs gas cylinder will be there normally. You know how much gas your stomach can hold? Your stomach can hold only half a kg, not even half a kg, quarter kg of gas. 1/4 kg of gas your stomach can hold. After 1/4 of a kg, that is 250 grams, you know what will happen? Your stomach will not burst out. But you might have had this feeling already. You will get belching, right? Sore belching. Tegu, sore belching, right? After you eat something, all kinds of sounds people will make actually. Correct? Whenever the gas increases, that will happen. Suppose you don't get belching, you will start farting. नीचे से gas जाता है. You will pass gas from below. If you don't have above, you will pass from below. That is also gas only. But above कुछ smell नहीं रहता है, below बहुत smell आता है. Right? So this will happen actually. See, this is called as farting. See, whenever the gas increases inside the stomach, totally 4 kinds of conditions will happen. The first kind of condition is called as acidity. People will complain, sir, it is severely burning here, sir, after eating something. Hyperacidity. Second condition is called as constipation. Constipation matlab you cannot go for motion. See, normally how do you identify constipation, you know? You know the sheep, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? बकरा, बकरी, हाँ. उसका आप ये देखे हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? The excreta of the sheep. How does a sheep or a goat lay its excreta? Round, right? Whenever a human body passes such kind of round excreta, no, you are having constipation. You just check it in your bathrooms once. Suppose if you really have constipation. The problem with us is we don't look into our stools actually. We think that, some kind of aversion. But that is the reason why Indian toilets are good. Western toilets, you can't see anything. See, this is how constipation is found out actually. Okay, that is the third variety. The fourth one is actually called as irritable bowel syndrome. The IBS, that we call it as IBS. IBS is partially psychosomatic. See, I have seen several people, they will eat the food, immediately after eating the food, they will go to the toilet and sit there. Have you seen such cases? Yes. Probably you might have seen in the field actually. That is called as IBS. People will tell you, sir, abhi खाना खा रहा हूँ, sir, खाना खाने के 5 minute के बाद मुझे जाना है. That is called as IBS. Even in such conditions, you can definitely give I-Pulse. These are the 4 major gas conditions in the stomach where I-Pulse can be used. Next important thing is diabetes. I am having sugar diabetes problem. Can I use I-Pulse or not? People might think, sir, I-Pulse is sweet to taste, sir, it has sugar in it. How can I give it to diabetes? No, definitely you can give it to diabetes because the sugar which is present inside I-Pulse is not sucrose, it is fructose. It is a sugar from the fruits. That will not cause any problems to the diabetes people because this fructose what we have added in the I-Pulse is having very, very low glycemic index. Even if diabetes people take this, nothing will happen. The sugar levels will not increase. Don't worry about it. Normally, whenever after a person consumes I-Pulse and if there is some acidity inside, normally I-Pulse is a juice, right? Whenever a juice product is made, it should be acidic. It should be acidic. Otherwise, the juice will not survive. The things inside the juice will not survive. Actually, the product itself is acidic, actually speaking. But whenever a person is having hyperacidity after drinking I-Pulse, what you should do is, you tell them to consume a glass of water before they consume I-Pulse. Not to dilute with I-Pulse, consume a glass of water, have a gap of 5 minutes, then consume I-Pulse. That will reduce the acidity. You can do like that. Definitely that will work out. The next thing is the varicose veins. See, I am now talking about the diseases, not wellness. There are some diseases. That is why I told you some diseases can be clearly, cured with I-Pulse actually. Varicose veins, very, very important condition where I have seen testimonies where varicose vein problems have reduced after using I-Pulse actually. See, varicose veins, I think you might have seen this, there are veins appearing here. I don't say that after consuming I-Pulse, that veins will totally disappear, no. Because of that veins, people will have severe pain in the leg. That leg pain will go completely. Even though the veins may be visible here. Okay, but the pain will go. That is what I am trying to tell you. The next thing is sensual wellness, nothing but your vision problems. I am not trying to tell the sight problem, not because of the spectacles. Especially the vision problems in the sense the eye disorders. For example, stress in the eye, conjunctivitis, redness of the eye, itching in the eye. All these problems can be sorted out with iPulse actually. Similarly, the skin problems also. iPulse is a very good blood purifier. Whenever your blood is purified, automatically your skin glow can also happen. The skin diseases can also reduce with the blood purification. Next thing is the endocrine wellness, thyroid. Already I have told you a very good combination of Slim and Pulse can be used in thyroid. It shows very good results in reducing the TSH levels. The next thing is the cardiac wellness or the heart wellness, especially people with cholesterol. Whenever the cholesterol levels are high, you can definitely give a combination of Slim and Pulse to them again. Their lipid levels will fall down, by which you are preventing heart diseases, right? The next important thing is the cancer wellness, tumor wellness or cancer wellness. Tumor is another word for cancer actually. See, cancer, nobody knows what is the reason behind cancer. You know, suppose if you eat lots of sugar, you can get diabetes one day, right? But you don't know why will you get cancer in future. There is no history for cancer at all. But whenever a person is diagnosed with cancer, it will always be in the second stage. It would have reached second stage already. What best we can do with iPulse is, iPulse will actually destroy the cancer cells. iPulse will not cure cancer completely. That's what I'm trying to tell you. iPulse cannot reverse the condition. But what iPulse can do is, it will prevent the cancer from going to the next stage. That is the most important thing for us actually. You are actually keeping the person in a healthy state actually. Suppose if a person is dying in 2 years from now, you are actually making him to live for 10 more years without pain. That is the most important thing. So it is actually preventing the disease and actually preventing the spreading of the disease also. You might have seen this. Sir, there was a cancer case where, the lung cancer case for example. If you leave the lung cancer case without treating, the cancer will spread to the bones. The cancer will spread to the muscles. This is called a spreading of cancer. Such spreading can be stopped with the help of iPulse. Okay, so this is what tumor wellness is. And one more important thing I want to tell you, that's what I was discussing with Sharik right now. The ability of the iPulse to penetrate into your cells. This is the most important thing. Our human body has lots of cells inside. Other products will act on the organs, whereas iPulse is a product which can actually penetrate into your cell, destroy the disease from the root itself. Okay? Destroy the disease from the root itself. That is the capability of iPulse. Right? Next slide, please. Again, dosage of iPulse, everybody knows this. 30 ml to be used twice daily, half an hour before your food. This is the dose of iPulse. Next slide. Already I have told you the first point here. For diabetes people, definitely you can use iPulse. Don't worry about it. But one more thing I will tell you. Suppose people have told after drinking iPulse if the sugar level increases, sir. That is a question mark that they put actually. In such cases, what I tell you is try to reduce the dose a bit. Don't give them 30 ml and 30 ml. Give them 20 in the morning and 20 in the night. Keep it to 40 ml. This we call it as intermittent dose actually. In medical terms, we call it as subtherapeutic dose or intermittent dose. If you give 20 in the morning and 20 in the night, automatically the sugar levels will not be impaired in some people. Please do it in this way. Again, good for blood pressure, very important. As it is a very good blood purifier, iPulse is a very good product for controlling the blood pressure as well. Right? Age limit, as I have told you, from small baby of 3 months, I have been giving iPulse now. Definitely you can give iPulse to children till the old age as well. There is no such time limitation. The age limitation is not there. But especially for children when you are giving, try to limit the dose and give. That is half the dose you can give actually. Okay, that is 30 ml you can give per day. 15 also you can make it. There is no problems. Okay, but better not to give them 60 ml. Coming to the duration of intake, normally people ask me these questions. What is the time for iPulse to be taken in the morning? And what is the time for iPulse to be taken in the night? There should be some time, right? See, one of the trainings, the distributor asked me actually, sir, I am going to a night duty, sir. I will be sleeping during the daytime. Can I take iPulse at 12 o'clock in the midnight? That is his question. Antioxidants can be taken any time in a day, there is no problem. But what I suggest you is, suppose if they are not doing night duties, better to give them by 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the night. Keep a gap of 12 hours, 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the night. Definitely it works wonders. Coming to the time of intake is done, dilution with water. This is also very important. See, many distributors usually tell me that. One of the distributors actually told me that in a meeting actually. He told 30 ml was diluted with 1 liter of water. I don't know, he was trying to save on money probably, I don't know that. But still, he said that 30 ml to be diluted with 1 liter of water. I told, see, if that is the dilution case, your benefits will also be diluted inside. Suppose if your benefits, you are getting it in 1 month, you will get it in 3 months. That will also be diluted. So, as we have suggested on the pack, you can dilute it with water, but add equal quantity of water. If you are adding 30 ml, 30 plus 30 ml water, that's it. 30 plus 1 liter water, no. If you really want to dilute it, otherwise you can take it directly, there is no problems with that. Only for such acidity patients. This dilution is normally given for those patients who have these acidity problems. It is only for that the dilution aspect is told. Because these fruit juices are normally acidic, that's what I told you. Whenever you dilute it with equal quantity of water, normally the acidity will come down. The alkalinity will increase. Automatically your acidity will reduce here when you drink it. That is the actual science behind it. Better consume it directly, don't add any water, that is my suggestion. If you want to add water, please add equal water, not more than that. Okay, so during pregnancy and lactation again, some distributors are really skeptical about it because they fear giving it to pregnant ladies. I am openly telling you, confirming you today that iPulse, please give it to pregnant ladies. It will not cause any problems. Don't worry about it. You can definitely give it. There is no problems. Even after the childbirth has happened, after the first month of childbirth, please start with iPulse. Don't give it immediately. After the childbirth, for the first month, you should not give iPulse. From second month onwards, you have to start it. Okay? Suppose if you give it within the first month, better not to, that nature is there like that. The first month after childbirth, normally the breast milk is the only source for the infant to survive that first month. During that time, we should not intervene in between the nature. That is the reason why from second month onwards, you give it to the mother. You can give like that. Okay, next slide, please. These are some of the studies which we have already done on iPulse. In fact, I want to tell you this also. One major anti-cancer trial has been successfully completed on iPulse actually. So in fact, I'm attending a meeting in the afternoon with my chairman. We are getting the reports today. One major anti-cancer trial has been completed today actually, which says that you can, without any fear, you can tell in the field that it is a good product for controlling cancer. Okay, and one more important thing, we have also done one neuroprotective study. That's what I was talking about, this paralysis. That neuroprotective study has also come out with very good positive results actually. Which means all the neurological problems like your paralysis, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, spondylitis, all these things, without any fear, you can definitely tell iPulse is a good product for this. See, this is one such thing what we are doing in our facility now, not only for wellness, even for illness. To prove illness, we need to do all these trials. In fact, we are doing this for our products now. It is not only wellness, it is also for illness these days. Okay, next slide. Suppose if you are really interested, this is one of the papers what I have authored. Okay, you can get it on the website. If you are really interested, just search these things on the website. Probably it will be recorded. Probably you can just take it later on. This paper is there on the public domain now. I am one of the co-authors of the paper on iPulse. We have done a trial. We have done a clinical trial in a hospital of 30 patients after surgery. Suppose if you have an appendix surgery, okay? After appendicitis surgery, we have given iPulse to 30 people. After 30 days, the healing of that wound, that appendix wound, within 20 days, the wound has healed actually, after giving iPulse. This is actually published in one of the international journals. It is there on the public domain now. If you are interested, just browse through it. You will get around 8 or 9 pages of the paper. Next slide, please. Next. Because it is too scientific, I don't want to go into the paper totally, because nobody will understand that particular thing. Okay, so let me come to the last product now. So after this, one more important session is there that I'll not let you know right now. Okay, iCharge. So has everybody tasted iCharge? Good. Fine. Good. So, well, iCharge, as the name indicates, there are three important points here. One is the strength, the second is the stamina, the third is the stress. Strength, stamina, and stress. These are the three important words that you should actually remember for, whenever the iCharge is concerned. Next slide, please. Well, iCharge is some kind of a unique product. It is one of its kind product in India, where it is a combination of kanna. Kanna is actually a herb which is imported from South Africa. South Africa is a place where kanna is naturally grown in the bush forests. Kanna is a flower. In fact, what you are seeing here is kanna. It is a flower which grows in the bush forest there. Normally, these black Negroid race people, they consume this kanna and they get their energy regularly. With the help of this kanna, they are able to run throughout the day. That is the reason why kanna is actually a natural replacement for caffeine. Our product is not caffeinated. Our product does not contain caffeine. Our product contains kanna instead of caffeine. Right? Kanna is actually a caffeine equivalent. Caffeine is a good thing only for 1 second. See, what exactly happens is whenever you are having a headache, you take one tablet, right? You take one CPM tablet or a Crocin tablet, whatever it is. It contains caffeine in it. Whenever the caffeine goes to your brain, your headache will reduce. For 1 day, 2 days, it is okay. But every day when you are consuming this caffeine, the caffeine dependency will happen. You will have severe shivering. You know what? The severe coffee drinkers, no? One who drinks the American espresso coffee. You have seen a vending machine outside, right? They will drink this total black coffee. It will be so bitter, total black it is. Such kind of coffee will contain lots of caffeine in it. So, most of these black coffees will have lots of caffeine in this. This caffeine dependency will cause all these problems. But our iCharge is a product where only kanna is there and caffeine is not there. So, we are having a natural energy product here. Next slide, please. Well, coming to the memory part of it. Apart from iPulse, iCharge also has a very good memory retention activity. I'm not trying to tell something like a very long-term memory. I'm talking about a short-term memory. Suppose if you are absent-minded, I mean, we normally tell this, right? Absent-minded professors. They'll be knowing something, but they'll not be able to tell that. That starting trouble will be there. Only when you trigger it, no, that thing will come out actually. Absent-mindedness. For such absent-minded professors, no, you can give this iCharge actually. So that will definitely improve their memory loss. It is a very good anxiolytic and antidepressant also. Anxiolytic and antidepressant, very, very important. Anxiety, everybody of us will have anxiety, right? Suppose if I call someone, ask you to hold the mic and speak for 2 hours here, you will be shortly anxious. You will start shaking. But that is a natural anxiety. Whenever the anxiety increases so much, it will convert into something called as depression. Right? That depression is a thing which is irreparable. It is irreversible. Once you go into the stage of depression, it is very difficult to come back. Even in such anxiety and depression patients, along with their medicines, please start with iCharge. Definitely they will have the relaxation of the mind actually. Okay, their mind will be relaxed. And it is a non-habit forming product. People say that some of the energy drinks available in the market, they are habit forming. Right? So if you drink 1 can of Red Bull or Zynga or whatever it is, Moto, Poto, whatever it is, these things will tend to actually create a habit inside you. If you don't drink every day, some kind of dependency will happen. But that is not the case with iCharge. It is not something which is habit forming. Suppose if you want to stop it somewhere in middle, you can definitely do that. Otherwise, you can continue it on a daily basis as well. There is no problems with that. And it is something which is very much relaxing like the antidepressants. What I'm trying to tell you here is, people who are on some sleeping pills or something for depression or something, you can concentrate on such segments also. Whenever you give iCharge along with those things, their mind relaxation and mind calming will be more, by which they will get good sleep in the nights. I'm not trying to tell that you drink 1 can of iCharge in the night, you will get sleep. No. Otherwise, if somebody drinks iCharge in the night, if you don't get sleep, don't blame me then. I'm trying to tell that your mind will calm, by which your stress levels will reduce, automatically the sleep will come. This is what it is. Next slide, please. See, coming to the composition of this iCharge, As I told you, it's one of its kind product in India where it is a combination of canna along with traditional Ayurvedic formulations like Ashwagandha Rishta is there, Bala Rishta is there. All these traditional Ayurvedic formulations will potentiate the energy inside. What I am trying to tell you here is, there are two types of energies. One is called as an instant energy, the second is called as sustained energy, right? Everybody should get instant energy. The energy factor should be there for 8 hours in a day. So whenever you drink this eye charge for 8 hours in a day, at least you should feel energized. That is what our intention is. With the help of these medicinal plants, we are in fact reaching that particular level of, having energy till 8 hours. Next slide. Well, coming to the benefits of eye charge, some major benefits I am trying to tell you here. First and the foremost benefit is alertness and cognition. This is very important. Everybody of us have to be alert in our lives, right? That focus and alertness will definitely improve with the help of eye charge. The second thing is stress relief. Most of us are stressed up because of our work pressures. Because to get rid of this stress, automatically energy is required. So eye charge is a very good product for increasing the energy and getting rid of the stress. Third is the most important thing which I want to talk to you about. We have done a trial on this also now. Eye charge also helps to improve your liver function. See, normally, especially in alcohol patients, people who are drinking alcohol, normally the liver will go off, right? The liver will fail after some point of time. Suppose if you have a target audience of those people who are drinking alcohol regularly, even in such subjects you can give this eye charge. I am not trying to tell that eye charge, by drinking eye charge, they will leave the habit of drinking. No. At least the side effects of alcohol can be reduced with eye charge. So, in one of the meetings, one of the distributors stood up and asked me, "Sir, you are telling this, can I mix eye charge instead of soda? I don't want to add soda from today, I will add eye charge along with alcohol, can I drink it?" So better not to do all such things actually. Alcohol is a chemical and a poison. Let it be alone. So eye charge can be given to such people so that you can prevent the side effects of liver poisoning. The alcohol poisoning can be reduced. Apart from that, sustained energy, I have already told you, at least 8 hours in a day, you have to be energized after drinking a can of eye charge. Next thing is maintaining the good eyesight. This is also very important because eye charge contains a natural element called as lutein. Lutein is actually derived from marigold extract. Marigold flowers. Chendu. Marigold flowers. That marigold flowers will have this lutein, which is a pigment that will improve your eyesight. Eyesight in the sense, most of the eye-related diseases as well. I have seen several testimonies, people saying it to me directly also, they have cut down their spectacle powers after drinking eye charge. I think yesterday also one of them came and told me that they have totally got rid of the spectacles actually. Yes, that is the thing. And ultimately the stamina will also improve with the help of eye charge. So what I am trying to tell you here is also target these children, especially the school-going children and the college students. Whenever the examination times are there, normally the examination time they will be reading the whole night. In the morning they will go and sit in front of the question paper, they will forget everything. This is called as forgetfulness because of fear. So I am not trying to tell that by drinking eye charge you will get first rank. No. That is left to the invigilator and the evaluator actually. At least your focus and alertness, your intelligence will increase, by which you can deliver in the exam, you can write in the exam. That is more than enough for us. You can target those people as well, by which the sales will also improve. Next slide. So again coming back to the caffeine content, it is absolutely caffeine free. It is containing kanna instead of caffeine, and again the sugar part is absolutely not there. People ask that, sir, it is sweet to taste, so it contains sugar. No. Again, we have some low calorie sweeteners which will give you sweetness but not sugar. You will feel it sweet on the tongue, but it is good for your body. Right? So this is what it is. So can diabetics consume this? This is one of the important things. Because most of the doctors, when I was doing a training in Mumbai, there are lots of doctors in the team actually. Some of them usually ask me, sir, for a diabetic person, can you give this? Because there are some kidney problems there and so on and so forth. Definitely for diabetes people also, the energy levels are very less in them. You can give eye charge to diabetes people by which their energy levels are increased. Right? Can BP patients consume this? Because this is a one big hype actually. If you drink energy drinks, your heart rate will race. Normally, the palpitations will happen by drinking energy drinks because caffeine will actually trigger your heart. Your heartbeat will increase. It is called as arrhythmic heartbeat. Or in other words, we call this as tachycardia. Especially when you do an ECG, the thing will go up like this. That is the reason why whenever you are drinking iCharge, there is no such tachycardia or increase in the heartbeat. Don't worry about it. Has anybody felt increase in the heartbeat after drinking this? In fact, your heartbeat, suppose if it is increased, it reduces actually. Because your stress levels are reducing. That is the reason why you don't have to worry about that point. Instead of drinking water, you can drink iCharge after consuming iSlim, no problems. Since this is again a water-based drink, of course, when you are losing your weight, energy is a thing which is required. You should not become weak when you are losing your weight. Automatically, by drinking iCharge, the energy levels are kept at optimum levels. Right? So you can definitely do that, there is no problems. However, iSlim also has multivitamins and multiminerals in that, which will keep your energy levels. That will also be there. Well, next slide, please. Again, I am coming to some of the studies which we have done on iCharge. Some very good studies we have done on iCharge, especially memory retention potential and all we have tested now. Again, I am telling you, suppose if you are going into the field, you can easily tell people that for memory problems, you can consume iCharge. Because we have done a trial on that now. We are getting it published in some time from now. We are doing all these publications now. Next slide, please. Suppose if you are interested again one more paper has been published by me in one of the public domains. It is already there. iCharge, especially in reduction of the stress and fatigue. This journal, International Journal for Innovative Research, this particular article is already published. If you are interested, just browse through the Google. You can get the whole paper. Okay, so with the help of iCharge, the people who have lost the focus and attention, you have to run like this. After drinking that, the sprinting has to be there. For that sprint, iCharge is always there. Next slide, please. Well, my guru Albert Einstein, which I consider him as my guru actually. See, Albert Einstein says one word. The most important thing is not to stop questioning. Each and every moment a question has to arise in our brains. Only then the discussions will happen and automatically the answers will come out. Well, today, as there is no question answer session here, as I've already told you, this is a Wings to Wellness program, a train to trainers program, right? What you can do is everything of what I have spoken now is actually recorded. So what you can do, this presentation will also be there here in your future days. Just go through the presentations, hear this with the help of a earphone or a headphone, just listen to what I have told. Please implement the same thing in your field also. Okay, so this is a good platform for that. Please go through the presentations as many times as you can, as many times whatever I have spoken, so you can inculcate the same thing in your field also.